Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you a beautiful limited edition like 3-piece set that I received from Gellac. Gellac is a European like really big gel polish brand. It was actually the first gel polish brand that I ever tried, and I already have a beautiful collection of their colors, but they actually came out with 3 limited edition gel polish manicure sets. They are fully made, or at least the packaging, of recycled paper and material. They're cruelty free, they don't test on animals, and yeah, I actually really like this brand. As I mentioned, it was the first brand I ever tried, and it pretty much grew my love for gel polishes, and it's also one of the reasons why I always have gel polish on one hand and regular polishes on the other, because I really love both. There are 3 limited edition sets. So the first one is called Dashing Glaze, the second one is called Neutral Days, and you also have a third one which I will show you in a little bit. On the box itself, it says some instructions and what the kit contains. It contains a whole lot of items, I can tell you that. Then the third one is called Color Splash, and I really love the color that comes in this one. But because I already have a big collection of colors, 2 of the sets I'm going to keep closed like fully, because I really want to do a giveaway in which I give away at least one of those kits. Maybe I can give away one of these kits to family or friends or anything like that. But I do want to say like thank you for watching and just being supportive of my channel, and I am already trying to host and gather items for a big giveaway because I recently hit 20,000 subscribers. So yeah, that is going to be in a video somewhere next month or something like that. But back to this kit. So this kit with the beautiful lipstick red color in, I don't have that color yet, so I'm just going to unbox this box completely, work with it, show you how everything works. So it contains 1 colored gel, it contains a switching adapter just to give power to your LED light. It is the regular one. It comes with most of their like manicure kits, and yeah, I'm pretty much obsessed with their light. I use it all the time, seriously. Then there is a little box in there as well, and that one contains the top coat, the base coat, as well as a primer. So first up you have the Ultra Shine. I will be going in depth with like all of these items a little later in the videos. In this video you have the base extend, you have the primer, which air dries, by the way. You don't have to cure the primer or anything like that. And then the last things in this little cardboard box, I really love the packaging, by the way. It's really like compact as well, so you can actually take it with you if you are away from home or traveling or something. There is a little like user manual in here as well, in different languages, like a ton of different languages: English, Dutch, German, French, Russian. I think I saw some Polish as well. And yeah, then we have this little like package. Yeah, this one just contains the stuff you will need to remove and to cleanse the nail, as well as to prep the nail. So you have a little nail file with 2 different grids, which are really soft for the natural nail, by the way. You have a little orange wood stick, and you have some like packets or pockets, it kind of depends how you want to call them, some remover pockets and some cleanse pockets as well, to just make sure there isn't any oil or dust or anything on the nail before you go in with your gel polishes. And let's just swoop all of this aside, because I want to focus on the LED light for a bit. So this is what it looks like. It has enough space for your hand for at least 4 fingers at a time. My foot actually fits in this one perfectly as well, so it's also pretty much doable to just do your toenails with this light. And the adapter, of course, you want to unwrap the little cord and just plug it in. There's a little on-off button at the back. You can just switch it on, it gives a little beep, and then you know it's ready to use. So there are 4 LED lights in this lamp, which is more than enough to like really cure your product nicely. Gellac gel polish polishes have to cure for 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. I only use LED because UV is just not that good for the skin if you use it a lot. And yeah, there's a big like on off button at the top. It gives a little beep after 30 seconds and it shuts down itself like the lights after a full minute. So once the light is off, your manicure is done, your gel polish is cured. So first up we have the primer, which I really love. I really think that this primer definitely makes my gel polishes last really long. It actually makes it a little hard to remove my gel polishes afterwards. So if you feel like you only want to do your manicure or like sustain your manicure for about a week, I would skip the primer. But if you want it to last for like 4 weeks, definitely go in with the primer, especially if you have more of like an oily surface of the nails. Some people have like quite dry nails. Then you don't really have to dehydrate that much or use a primer. But if you kind of have an oily nail surface, you definitely want to go in with a primer. Then we also have the extend base. This one has to be cured for 60 seconds in LED as well. As I mentioned, all of the gel polishes, top coats, colors, base coats have to be cured for 60 seconds. The extend base actually makes sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time, and I definitely notice a difference between this extend base, which actually makes sure it lasts longer, compared to the regular base coat that I have used and tried and everything like that about a year ago or something. So yeah, and then the top coat is the Ultra Shine. It's a no wipe top coat and it just gives, as the name already says, a beautiful shine to your nail. And yeah, I'm just going to swatch this beautiful lipstick red color. Again, it has to be cured for 60 seconds. I just did my nails, like my gel polish hand, I have to say, which is my right hand. I just did it the day before, so I didn't want to switch up my manicure just yet. So I am going to swatch it on one of my swatch sticks, and you guys know I do most of my swatches on these sticks because then I already have like my swatch stick ready and just to put it on the little ring with all of the other swatches as well. And it does give a nice like look and side of how it applies, because I always use these like creamy colored, not super opaque swatch sticks, and you know, your natural nails aren't see-through either, so that is why I actually use these colored sticks. You also have pink and black or translucent, but I really love these because they give a more like true to life application, so you can actually see what it would look like on your own nails as well. So yeah, I have just applied the first coat and cured that for a full minute. Then I'm going in with the second coat and curing that for a full minute as well. Of course, if you are going to apply these colors by Pink Gellac, no matter what color, just make sure that you have prepped the nail on forehead, make sure there isn't any dust or oil on the nail plate, go in with your primer if wanted or needed, then go in with your base, cure that for 30 seconds, apply your colors, or 60 seconds I have to say, apply your colors and go in with your top coat as yeah, to finish it off, to cap it all in, you know. And of course, if you are applying it on natural nails, make sure to cap off the edges as well. If you are working on longer nails, that just makes sure that your manicure will last longer and you won't have any tip wear or chipping or anything like that. Then after my second layer has fully cured for a minute, I'm going in with the Ultra Shine top coat. I really love this top coat. It is so nice and so shiny and glossy, and I love it. You guys know me, I love my glossy finishes, and this one definitely is a really nice top coat to work with. It isn't that thick. Like sometimes top coats can be really thick and a little bit clumpy, a little bit like harder to work with, but this one actually applies like a regular nail polish, and yeah, I pretty much love it. But I also wanted to give you a little bit of like an additional information, a little like side note. As I mentioned, these kits are made from recycled paper, so they're really easy to recycle once again if you don't want to keep the boxes. And Pink Gellac is also cruelty free. They don't test on animals or anything like that, so that is a big plus in my book, if I can say it like that. But yeah, I didn't swatch the other colors. The boxes are still completely like clear closed because I already had these in my collection. So as I mentioned, I am definitely going to be giving away one of those boxes in a giveaway that I will be hosting quite soon. So keep an eye out for that if you're curious about it. But the nude pink is definitely one of my favorite colors by Pink Gellac. It's just a gorgeous neutral tone and it suits my skin tone really well. And then we also have the Ibiza pink, which is also really gorgeous and in the color Splash like kit. So yeah, these boxes are usually 99 euros, but they have a 30% discount, so they are only 69 euros at the moment, which is a really nice deal because you get like the whole shebang, the light, the like everything. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it and I hope to see you in my next video.